students, welcome to Vidya Myriad. This video is made for class 8 on chapter number 11 Mensuration, and today we are going to do exercise 11.3 from Ncert. Let's begin with question number 1. Now in this question there are two cuboidal boxes as shown in the figure. Which box requires the lesser amount of material to make? That means we need to find out the volume of both the boxes. Now let us consider for figure A. You have the measurement 60, 40 and 50. That means it is in a form of a cuboid. So length into breadth into height, which is 60 into 40 into 50. That comes out to be 1,20,000 centimeters cube. Please remember, in the area we put square units, in the volume we put cubic units. Okay, please do put the units. For the B figure, you have all the same measurements. Length is also 50, breadth is also 50, height is also 50. So that means it is a cubical box. So otherwise also we know for a cuboid there is a formula for length into breadth into height. That means we will do 50 into 50 into 50. That comes out to be 1,25,000 centimeters cube. So for that's why we have written here cubical box. So from both the information from A and B volume, we can see that cuboidal box will require lesser amount of material. Question number 2. A suitcase with measures 80 centimeters and 48 centimeters and 24 centimeters is to be covered with a tarpaulin cloth. How many meters of tarpaulin of width 96 centimeters is required to cover 100 such suitcases? So first of all, let us have the information whatever is given to us. We are given the measurements of this suitcase. So length is 80, breadth is 48 and height is 24. Now this suitcase is to be covered with a tarpaulin cloth, and it means that it is to be covered from all the sides. That means I need to find out the TSA of the suitcase. The formula for TSA is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. I have length, I have breadth, I have height. Just put it into the formula. You get 13,824 centimeters square. Now, next they are telling us about a tarpaulin cloth whose width is given as 96 centimeters. So area of tarpaulin, if I want to find out, it will be in the shape of a rectangle, that is length into breadth. So I don't know the length over here, so let it be L. So L into 96, which is 96 L centimeters square. Now this area of tarpaulin should fit 100 suitcases, and for one suitcase the measurement area is 13,824 centimeters square. So I will multiply it with 100 because I need to find out for 100 such suitcases. That means area of tarpaulin should be equal to area of 100 such suitcases. So 96L is equal to 100 into 13,824. I can find out L by dividing it by 96. I get 14,400 centimeters. Now this answer length is coming in centimeters. I want answer in meters. So I know I need to divide it by 100 in order to convert it into meters. That comes out to be 144 meters. Question number 3. Find the side of a cube whose surface area is 600 centimeters square. Now surface area is already given to us. This means they are telling us TSA of a cube, that is 600, and the formula for TSA is 6 into side square or 6L square. So 600 is equal to 6L square. 600 divided by 6 comes out to be 100. So 100 is equal to L square, but I don't want L square, so I need to take the square root of 100. So that comes out to be 10 centimeter as your side of the cube whose surface area is 600 centimeters square. Question number 4. Ruxar painted the outside of a cabinet of measure 1 meter into 2 meter into 1.5 meters. How much surface area did she cover if she painted all except the bottom of the cabinet? Now if you look at the figure, the measurements are there 1 into 2 into 1.5, but according to this we know length will be 2 meters, breadth is 1 meter and height is 1.5 meters. Now this question can be done in two ways. Either you can use the TSA formula of a cuboid or you can use the CSA formula of a cuboid. Now what is the difference over here is we don't need the bottom of the box that is to be painted. So what we will do is, now TSA means all the 6 sides, that means we need to subtract the base from it to find out the area to be painted. Those are the 5 sides, that means all the 4 walls plus the top. So that is the TSA. So formula for TSA will be 2 into LB plus BH plus HL minus the base. Base is consisting of length into breadth. So that is 2 into 1. Now putting the values in this formula, you will get your answer as 11 meters square. That is the area to be painted. Now if I want to use the formula of CSA, what is CSA? CSA consists of only the 4 walls, but we need the top also. So what we will do is, we will find out CSA plus the area of the top. We will do length into breadth, and CSA is 2 into H into L plus B. Put the values, you will get the same answer as 11 meters square. So any method you find convenient, whatever way you find it easier, you can use it. Just take care how many sides they are taking it, what is excluding. So according to that, you need to do your question. Daniel is painting the walls and ceiling of a cuboidal hall with length, breadth and height of 15, 10 and 7 meters respectively. So that means length is given, breadth is given, height is given. From each can of paint, 100 meters square of the area is painted. How many cans of paint will she need to paint the room? So that means we need to first of all find out the surface area of the hall without the bottom. That means we don't want the base. So in that case, again we can find out TSA minus the area of the base, or we can do the CSA plus top. So both will get the same answer. So when I use the TSA, the formula is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL minus the area of the base, that is length into breadth. So length we know 15, breadth is 10 and height is 7. Fill this in the formula, you will get your answer as 500 meters square. So this is the area of the cuboidal hall without the bottom, which needs to be painted. Now area of the paint also they have given us. For one can it can cover 100 meters square, but our area is 500 meters square. So number of cans will be area of the hall divided by the area of the paint, which is 500 upon 100, which comes out to be 5 cans. Describe how the two figures at the right are alike and how they are different. Which box has a larger lateral surface area? Now when I talk about the two figures, first of all, first one is in a cylindrical shape and the second one looks like a cube. They are alike because they both have the same height, which is 7 centimeters. Okay, but they are different also. Why they are different? Because they are different in shape, so we are using different formulas for it. One is cylinder, one is cube. Now they are asking which box has a larger lateral surface area. We need to find out the LSA of cylinder. We need to find out the LSA of cube. Now please remember, LSA or CSA both means the same thing. So if you know CSA, just put the formula. In the case of cylinder, diameter is given to us as 7 centimeter and height is also given to us as 7 centimeters. So for diameter, we will find out the radius, that is 7 by 2. And the CSA or LSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH, that is 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7, that comes out to be 154 centimeters square. Same way we will find out for cube. Length of each side is given to us as 7 centimeters. So LSA of cube is 4L square, that is 4 into 7 into 7, that comes out to be 196 centimeters square. So which is very clear that the area of the cube or the LSA of the cube is larger than the cylinder. Question number 7. A closed cylindrical tank of radius 7 meters and height 3 meters is made from a sheet of metal. How much sheet of metal is required? Now area of the metal sheet, from there we have to make this cylindrical tank. To make the cylindrical tank, it means we need the TSA, total surface area of that particular cylinder sheet. That means 2 pi r into h plus r. We know pi will be 22 by 7, radius is given to us as 7 and height is given to us as 3. Putting into the formula, we get answer as 440 meters square. That is the sheet required in order to make the closed cylindrical tank. Question number 8. The lateral surface area of a hollow cylinder is 4224 centimeters square. It is cut along its height and formed a rectangular sheet of width 33 centimeters. Find the perimeter of the rectangular sheet. Now, when we talk about a rectangular sheet, the width of a rectangular sheet will be same as the circumference of the cylinder as it is rolled. When you roll a rectangular sheet along with its width, it becomes the circumference of the cylinder, which is 2 pi r. With that, I can find out the radius of the cylinder, which comes out to be 21 upon 4 centimeters. Now I need to find out, they are told as LSA is already given to us 4224 and the formula for LSA or CSA is 2 pi RH. We know the radius now. We don't know the height. We can find out the height using the formula. That will come out as 128 centimeters. That is the height. After getting the radius and after getting the height, we can find out the perimeter of the sheet, that is 2 into L plus B, which is equal to 2 into 128 plus 33. So height will become the length, that is 128 plus 33, that comes out to be 322 centimeters. Question number 9. A road roller takes 750 complete revolutions to move once over to level a road. Find the area of the road if the diameter of the road roller is 84 centimeters and length is 1 meter. Now diameter is given to us as 84 definitely, so radius will be 84 by 2, which is equal to 42. We need to find out the CSA as the road roller needs to move. For that we need CSA of the road roller, that is 2 pi RH. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 42 into 1 meter. So 1 meters you have to convert it into centimeters, which will be 100 centimeters. So your answer comes out to be 26,400 centimeters square. Now this is the area or this is the LSA for one round. We need 750 rounds. For 750 multiply with it and you will get 198 lakh centimeters square. That is the area to be covered. So that can be easily converted into meter square because we know 1 meter square is equal to 10,000 centimeters square. So we will divide it by 10,000 in order to convert it into meter square. So that comes out to be 1980 meter square. That is the area of the road to be covered. A company packages its milk powder in a cylindrical container whose base has a diameter of 14 cm and height given as 20 cm. The company places a label round the surface of the container as shown in the figure. If the label is placed 2 cm from the top and bottom, what is the area of the label? Now we are given the diameter. Diameter means we need to find out the radius. Radius will be 7 because diameter is 14. Height is given to us, total height is 20, okay, but we want the height of the label part which is to be there. So what I will do is, because there is 2 centimeters gap from up and 2 centimeters from down, so just subtract 4, you will get 16 centimeter height of that label. So you have radius, you have height, you can find out the CSA of the label, that is 2 pi RH, which is 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 16. When you solve it, you will get 704 centimeters square. That is the area of the label required to be fixed on that particular container. That's all for this 11.3 exercise. I hope you must have understood. It's quite easy and simple. You just need to know the formulas of the various shapes. Please do remember, do lots of practice. If you have any doubt anywhere, please mention in the comment section or you can also email me. Thank you very much children for watching the video till the end. See you soon in the next. Till then, have a great day.